Hi everyone and welcome to Tech Kali. Today we'll be talking about why we should not install Android 12 beta yet. The first Android 12 beta is out for a wide range of Android devices and early impressions are positive. Testers praise the overall interface and helpful twists and new features already available in the beta version. This news might have you excited for Android 12, but it's a good idea to hold off on installing the unfinished OS for now. While the beta version means Android 12 is generally in a state where general users can use it reliably, many features are still unfinished, missing or incomplete. For example, Android 12 game mode is technically listed in the beta version, but you can't use it, and other settings and UI changes are also incomplete. These unfinished elements can lead to bugs and other performance issues that most of us don't want to deal with on our device we use every day. Even if you find Android 12 generally stable for now, the beta version will receive numerous updates between now and the final release, many which could lead to new bugs or could introduce new bugs. Then there's the lack of app compatibility. While some apps run on Android 12, many need to be updated to run on Android 12, and chances are some of your favorite apps haven't been updated to run on Android 12 yet and likely will receive updates and likely won't be until the OS is finally public available later this year. Finally, I won't be surprised if Android 12 will come out messier than expected. Obviously, this point won't matter to those die-hard Android users with multiple working Android devices. Developers trying out the early build for testing, which means trying out the early version for testing purpose or journalism, and easy developers eager to share their experience. These are only the people that should try or even bother downloading the Android 12. But if you can't wait, or if you can't stand holding off until the final version, at least considering sticking it through the first few beta revisions in hopes that the one you download is more suitable. But it is best that you should wait later this year for the final release. But if you insist on downloading, please back up your files, because when you already upgrade to Android 12 and you want to go back to Android 11, you have to flash your phone. These are what to know concerning the Android 12 beta for now. So it will be safe if you should just stay till later this year or towards the ending of this year when the final version is being released for the public, so that you won't have any issue dealing with your phone got this, your phone got that. So this is Kali Tech. Thanks for watching. I know this is pretty bad, but please enjoy it the way you see it. I will try my best to improve next time. Thanks for watching till the end of this video. Peace out, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.